Well, thank you for taking a look at the 3020 head that we have in auction. This is a header that we sold new to a customer of ours. He ran it on a couple different mid-range Case IH combines. Again, we sold it new. It was, so it's a one-owner head. Putting it in the auction just because it's been here about a year. We haven't sold it yet. Actually, the customer that traded it in had a failure on his draper head this past fall and came and picked this back up and probably put another couple hundred acres on it. So while it does need some work, which I'm going to show you here in a bit, it'll definitely go right to the field because it just came out of the field. So we'll start from the front and work our way back, looking at the reel. You can definitely see as we walk along here, there's some teeth or reel fingers that have been customized in regards to length. Having a look at the reel bushings, you can see there's definitely some wear, but they also have a fair amount of life left in them. I'm not seeing any of the bats bent. Of course, can't look down the back side from where I'm standing. Let's drop down underneath and have a look at the poly. You can definitely see where there's some wear on the poly. Still serviceable, of course, but definitely not new. Looking at the knife, it's sharp enough. It's still kind of grabbing the skin of my finger a little bit, but I'm sure there's some broken sections if we look along here. But again, it will go to the field. Looking at the guards, I've definitely seen them more rounded than what we see here. But again, there's definitely wear on them. If you're familiar with 3020s, you'll know that it's very common for to get a crack right here in the stainless steel floor pan. And that's just from, they were assembling them wrong at the factory, but the previous owner has reinforced many of them, which I think will have it serviceable for quite a while longer. Looking at the floor, there's not missing or severely bent sections, and there's one down there. I see a little air gap underneath. It might need some love. Looking at the auger itself, certainly appears to be straight. I'm not seeing any bends in the flighting. You can see we're missing a couple fingers here in the center drum. Get back out from underneath the reel here. You can see we got some damage, puncture hole here in the end sheet. Looking over at the reel again. You can see right there we have a finger guide missing. There's a quick view of the serial number tag. And the inside of the head where the combine hooks up, boy, I've seen those awfully beat up in the past. It's definitely not the case here. Looking back in, you can see there's another center finger missing. Shear bar along the back of the auger looks to be decent. We are a 21 spline drive line that could of course be changed to the 540 style shaft if you need it to be. Single point hydraulic hookup. There's our electrical connection. Let's see, do we have an ops manual? We have an ops manual. And we'll open up the side of the head here. It's very common for these belts to be out of line. That appears to be good. That chain tension probably needs adjusted a little bit. But sprocket teeth, again, you see a little wear, but for the auger drive, but definitely not the end of the world. Belt seems to be in good shape. You can feel a little slop in that bearing, not much. This one's a little tighter. Wobble box. No leaks visible on that. So should be a good head overall. If you're interested, you have questions, please feel free to give us a call. Happy to answer any questions you have. We'll load this onto any trailer or truck that you want to send for it. Obviously the head transport's not included. Thanks for having a look and good luck bidding.